OpenPhone versus RingCentral 2025. Which VoIP platform is better? Most people get VoIP platforms wrong by assuming bigger always means better. OpenPhone and RingCentral in 2025 serve different business needs. OpenPhone focuses on small businesses and startups. You won't believe what happens next. It offers virtual numbers, SIMs calling, and team inboxes at an affordable price. Its simple interface makes onboarding quick, and you can manage everything from your mobile device or browser. RingCentral is designed for larger organizations. The surprising truth is it provides advanced features like video conferencing, call analytics, integrations with CRM systems, and enterprise-grade security. It scales easily for teams of any size but comes at a higher price point. If your business needs straightforward communication with minimal setup, OpenPhone is the best choice. RingCentral is better suited for companies requiring robust collaboration tools, detailed reporting, and integration across multiple departments. In conclusion, OpenPhone in 2025 is ideal for small teams or startups seeking simple, cost-effective VoIP services. RingCentral is perfect for enterprises that need a full-featured communication ecosystem. Your decision depends on business size, budget, and desired feature set.